Welcome back on this channel, Tans. The final phase of the bull run just started. Is this correct or no? This has one brother of you asked me here in our Telegram group. Final start of Parabolic phase of the bull run, or should we still be careful? And this is what I want to answer you, because the crazy thing is, look, we broke the Fibonacci 0.618. We clearly broke it. We closed it daily above it, and we are right now heading to our price target of 68k. And now you have to be very careful and very cautious. Please, here, put your ear on the microphone. Look, it looks like, I go myself crazy, because you see my trade is exploding. $60,000, $17,000 paper in profits already. My GME $9,000 in profits. But if you're following me on Twitter, it was yesterday that I accidentally increased my paper long to 5x, and I had to put margin, because if you're following this channel, you know I had only 2x or 1.5x on paper, and I was nearly got liquidated, but somehow the universe wanted that I make profits. I don't know if I should close it or not, but let us go step by step through here, because I want that you have your own opinion. I show you my view, and then you can maybe also write your opinion if I should close the trade or if I let it open. So first of all, as I said, we are heading to our price target of 68k, but you have to be very careful, because we are here in this ascending broadening wedge. The ascending broadening wedge is a bullish pattern, but there is a resistance line at 68,400 approximately. And what a surprise! At 68,400 we have also exactly the Fibonacci coming 0.786, and we have new moon. As I said, all the indicators speaking for we should see some dump. So which scenario could happen? In the best case, we will see run through here, but this is not usually how the bull market working. This is also what somebody of you here wrote in our Telegram group. This has never happened. There's no way we pump and only now without at least another drop to 57, 58k. It could be. Now let's go through some scenarios. So it could be, in the best case, yes, we see run through here, what I don't think. But what we could see, we see here a pump to 68k, and then we get in here rejecting. Best case, we're going back to 64k. In the less worst case, we are going here back to the 60k area. In the worst case, we are going back here to this area 55 to 50k. Because 55 to 50k, why? Because if again we are switching here to our ascending broadening wedge, the support line is coming here at 50k. So these are the scenarios which could possibly work out. We see the S&P 500 never retested here after the run. You can say this is a small retest, but after we run through here, we had an all-time high, and it's still running to the upside. So we never had the retest to liquidate all the long positions. I think that we should see dump still to 60k, because you see here there is a lot of liquidity, and market maker tend to chase the liquidity here at 63k. You see here starting at 63k. What a surprise though is, I think we could go here liquidation down to 60k approximately. A lot of liquidity here, a lot of longs which could get liquidated. But on the big picture, if you're watching the video, you see here this huge liquidity which was at 54k. It's gone, probably because everyone is watching my videos and know that the whales could liquidate you, and they put the liquidation price lower. But you see, we don't have a lot of liquidity anymore left at this 54k level. So probably we never see Bitcoin back again till the bear market 54k, because the major liquidity lies, the short liquidity, because everyone is shorting now, is at 70k, at 72k. So what we could see here, that the market makers quickly grab the liquidity here down below at 60k to 60k to liquidate all the long position to 60k, and then they're heading to chasing all the short positions here above at 70k. This is scenario which I could imagine. What do you think about it? And interesting also, and this is now getting, now please, this is so crazy. We are watching the whole time this rainbow chart, but never, and nobody of you, I'm thinking, why nobody of you also checked this? I mean, we are here, wait a minute, I'm closing myself. We are here right now at this buy zone. So the indicator, the rainbow chart is telling us to buy. If 1 week ago, we've been in basically a fire sale. I showed you this also. But bro, check this out. Even if we are getting here to 200K, no, wait a minute, here, and if we are going here to, in December, to 150K, the indicator says still cheap. Bro, can you imagine? Still cheap. At 200K, it says hodl. Only at around 250K, here at 250K, depending when we are reaching it, it would say, is this a bubble? Isn't it crazy? I mean, do you realize? I think this bull run, bro, I think this bull run will be one of the craziest bull run we ever saw. And it's not like Apple, which say this will be the craziest phone we ever made, but this will be really the craziest bull run we ever saw. And I want to share with you also another coin, which we spoke, because I have a group with some traders, we just talking, you know also most of them. But one coin, which I'm also, bro, I'm not paid by any project, unfortunately. I just show you my opinion on coins where I invested in by myself with my own money, which I'm in a loss, but I think they will go crazy. And this coin I showed you, bro. And if you're watching my videos, fuck, you are in so massive profits, because on this coin I'm in profits, like 4x profits. But I think this one could go crazy. And now, which one is it? Yes, it's Audi. And Audi is pumping obviously like crazy, because Bitcoin is pumping like crazy. And if you want more about Audi ordinals, I can tell you. And look how beautiful this chart looks. Come on, this chart looks like ready for massive pump. It has 800 million market cap, and it's fully diluted 800 million market cap. We've been already at approximately here 80K, $84. So a 2x from here is almost guaranteed, in my opinion. It's obviously highly risky because it's a meme. It's considered as a meme coin. I don't consider it so much as a meme coin, but it's, bro, and it's only 21 million, blah blah. I can tell. You can also check on this channel. I just typed in crypto brat and ordinals. I explained everything, I think 1 year ago about it. We bought ordinals, and I think this one can do a 7 to 10x. I think 8 billion market cap or 10 billion market cap. As this is this meme coin category, I think this can do, because it's really, so this one is so interesting. And you see Pepe 17% pump on this day, Aeros 27% I could get in a rage mode, because I wrote on X about it that I want to switch my Polkadot into Aero, but I staked my Polkadot, and it needs 28 days until it's getting released. And now look out of how much pump I'm missing out. Fuck this fucking Polkadot, man. It's that fucking coin. Let me check. Polkadot. How much it pumped? Nothing. 3%. Wow, crazy. Shit, bro. $4 to $4.90. Yeah, that's clear, blood. Look at this market cap, 7 billion. This is like a 150 kilogram. Ah, shit. Wait a minute, I quickly have to take my cappuccino. Hello. Thank you. Thank you so much. Fuck, I could make so much profits on it. I lost already so much money on Polkadot. But anyways, I mean, the major thing, wait a minute, I have to switch on the big picture. The major thing which we are speaking about in crypto is you have to have more winning coins than losing coins. And obviously, if you're following me, then I have probably more losing coins than winning coins. But this is why you're following me. Look, this moment I love the most. Since 2 weeks I drinking this shit. I like it, bro. It's so nice. And I think Audi could make me some money, definitely. I'm not too much invested in compared to other people, but still I think this could be nice. Not this one obviously, but Audi. Yeah, I have to search probably for another coin because Aero is too much pumped and my Polkadot will be released in 20 days. Until that moment, Aero, it's 800 million. Fuck, Alter! 800 million market cap already. Bro, this is when I wrote you about it. It was 30% minus. In 20 days, I think this one could go to 1.5 billion market cap already. Because base, chain and all this shit, you know? Fuck. This is really annoying, bro. Okay, so, but what do you think what I should do with Pepe? Should I keep it? It's 15k in profit right now, and we broke also a major resistance line, as you see it here. This is what the fuck, how can I move this shit down? You see here the major resistance line we broke to the upside. If we're closing above, this is so, the next resist come at 0.0011 approximately. So then we can go back to the 0.09 probably, but I don't know if I should take here profits at 0.01. How much profit it would be? 0.01. If I would close it, I would have 20k profits. Oh shit, bro, that's nice profits. And then probably I could re-enter here again at 0.9. But this is the moment which you don't know, because if I take here profits, and look, now you have really to analyze myself and my psychology, because this is how people lose money. Check out what I'm thinking. Okay, if I take here profits, 20k, nice, and waiting here to enter again the position, but it pumps through, what never happened, but it pumps through, then I will lose this opportunity to make 100k or something. So now I make a decision, I will not close the trades, and what happened? Boom, blood, we see a huge dump and I get liquidated and lose all the gains and even the money which I'm invested in, which is right now 54k, as you see it here. So you see the psychology, it's greed, bro. So probably I should take your profits, but then I'm missing out. What I should do? What do you think about it? What should I do? Should I take profits here approximately? I think we are getting here at 0.012 approximately rejected, because you see there's a lot of resistance coming in. Also here previously, I think it's exactly at 0.0. Wait a minute. Oh, bro. It's exact. Huh? I didn't put any. I think it's exactly at this level. Wait a minute. Exactly at this level. Which level is it? 0.011. And then we are going back to this level at 0.09 approximately, because if Bitcoin obviously going back to 60k, yes. But what I wanted to show you also, it's getting very long, but anyways, doesn't matter. You can just click off if you annoyed of it. But what I wanted to share with you is what is interesting. It's obviously that we are in a bull run. We are shortly before parabolic bull run. We are speaking here some small movements to the downside where we probably could enter. But as soon as the bull run is starting, and here you see a similar structure, you see here a similar structure. It's also like a bull flag, boom. And as soon as we're breaking here this resistance line, you see here, this resistance line, there's basically, yes, we have small corrections here, but this is basically up only, you know. Then you have here bigger corrections, but this is after we broke here this line, boom, we had to pump like 70% pump. So the question is, and this resistance line is, in my opinion, exactly this resistance line. Where is it? Here, exactly this. As soon as we're breaking 68k, there is no stop at all, because probably we could break here up and go to maybe 72, then again retest 68, but you know, all this small doesn't matter anymore. So to be honest, is this did the parabolic run start? In my opinion, it's really start when we break 68k, but also right now it's better to buy in than waiting. Another scenario is if you want to enter a long position, then obviously it's maybe better to wait until we see cool down. And the thing is, we prepared also our community trade, which is Bitcoin long at 57,500 and 57,000 52,500 and 57,500. But the question is, will we ever reach 57,500 again until the bear market or not? Because, as I said, I think the liquidity is at 60k, the major liquidity right now. It shifted a bit, and could be that we see run to 68k and then going back maybe to 60k. Maybe we have to adjust this. Please tell me also this: what do you think? Should we adjust our community trade or not? Thank you very much for watching. Kiss you and see you later. Mwah.